Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Back up any local files to a USB or cloud, and make sure the Chromebook is charged above 50% or plugged in. Once done, power off the device fully. This prevents file system corruption. Now, press ESC plus refresh and hold the power button to enter recovery mode. You do this because recovery mode is how you can trigger a power wash without signing in, and it isolates the reset from user accounts. You'll now execute the power wash steps. In recovery mode, choose the power wash or factory reset option. On some models, pick recover using local image if prompted. Make sure you confirm that you understand all user accounts and local data will be removed, because this step erases the stateful partition and device enrollment. Then allow the system to reinstall or reinitialize the OS. This can take 10 to 20 minutes depending on the model and network speed. Once the reset finishes, reboot and complete the out-of-box setup. You can skip signing in to confirm the power wash worked. If the Chromebook won't enter recovery mode or shows an enrollment lock, create a Chrome OS recovery USB from another computer and retry the reinstall. This often clears corrupt images. Make sure to check for enterprise enrollment. If the device is enterprise locked, you'll need admin removal. If problems persist, note exact error messages for targeted support steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.